Bianca Umali, itinanggi ang issue ng billing sa pelikulang Mananambal, kung saan niya nakasama si superstar Nora Honor.
May nagkalat kasi na parang gusto raw ng kampo ni Bianca na same billing with Mamagay.
I am shocked by the question po, no?
Oo.
But I would like to handle it as professional as possible.
Recently, naging viral yung isang part ng press conference ng Mananambal the Healer. And sinagot mo yung billing issue na binato sa'yo. Kwentuhan mo ko, anong nangyari ba doon?
I was shocked. It became an emotional moment for me. I think the bottom line of the message that I want to convey during that moment was just to say that to be working with our superstar and with our national artist is already an honor. And that is everything I need. Everything else that comes from it, the billing, even the award that I won, is already a bonus na lang.
Ang hard work ni Bianca sa pelikula naging daan para maiuwi niya ang Best Dramatic Actress Award sa Jinseo Arigato International Film Festival. Barbie Forteza goes to South Korea. Ibinahagi ng Kapuso Primetime Princess ang kanyang food trip, pagbisita sa iconic Starfield Library, at pagtambay sa Dog and Cat Cafe. Aubrey Carampel nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.
Huwag magpahuli sa mga balitang dapat niyong malaman. Mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube.